Elon Musk said SpaceX's satellite internet service, Starlink, was available on every continent, meaning it had reached its goal of providing worldwide coverage. The SpaceX CEO said, Starlink is now active on all continents, including Antarctica. SpaceX launched on Sunday a batch of 54 Starlink satellites after 5 previous attempts were scrubbed because of bad weather. These satellites have joined the 3,076 working Starlink satellites in low Earth orbit. The goal is to have up to 42,000 satellites by mid-2027. By enveloping the Earth with thousands of satellites, the goal of Starlink is to provide high-speed internet to areas that are rural, remote, and difficult to connect to broadband service. Despite being active on 7 continents, Starlink failed to get the Federal Communications Commission's approval for $886 million subsidy to expand the internet service to rural homes and businesses in almost 650,000 places across 35 U.S. states. The last figure published for Starlink's user base was in May when CNBC reported there were more than 400,000 subscribers worldwide.